All right, now, basics of the bike. The basics of the bike are, again, really simple. In case you don't know anything about the controls, I'll explain it to you. It's so simple. It's gonna be second nature for you within like a week or something when you start riding. So, just imagine, cut the bike in half. So you have the left side, which is the left side is the gears. So it's the shifting side. Okay, so gears, clutch, everything is on the left side. Okay, now the right side of the bike, so you have the right side here, you have the acceleration and the brakes, which is the front brake and the back brake here. Okay, let's see, there you go. Now here you have the clutch lever. This is your clutch here and your gear shifter down here. So gear side, acceleration and braking side. Okay, now how to start your motorcycle. Turn the key on, put your bike in neutral, and I'll show you how to do it later. So you can see my neutral light is on. Okay, and all I have to do is make sure that my safety switch is on the run, on the on side, and just touch it, and there it goes. Okay, now my bike is turned on and it's ready to go. I'll adjust my mirrors here and here. Now, how to start smoothly. Again, basically know how to start, period. Okay, so get on your motorcycle, get comfortable. Okay, it's very crucial to get comfortable. If you go like this or if you start grabbing the bike, it's not good. Okay, get comfy. Your bike is made for you, not the opposite. Okay, so pull the clutch in and you press down on the gear shift firmly until you hear that clunk. There you go. Now you're in first gear. Okay, so to get started is simple. Let go of the gas. Okay, and let that clutch out slowly. When I mean slowly, I mean slowly. There you go, and you will feel the bike start moving. And there it goes. I'm not touching any throttle. I'm just letting the clutch out slowly, and that's all I did. Okay, perfect. There you go. Now I'm going to slowly again, because that throttle is really twitchy. Okay, so I'm going to just twist it slowly. Pull the clutch in. Now I'm coasting. Okay, I'm going to get the bike into second gear, clutch in, and then a firm pull to get into second gear. Okay, if you don't pull hard enough, you might get into neutral. Okay, neutral is between first and second gear. It's sandwich. I'm gonna put a picture of it here. Okay, so clutch in, and I'm going to get into second gear. There we go. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now, let's get us rolling. Again, now to shift smoothly, it's a very simple process. Just clutch in, gear up, clutch out, and gas. So clutch in, gear up, clutch out, and gas. That's it. Clutch in, gear up, clutch out, gas. Now, downshifting smoothly is another story. Downshifting is another story completely. You need to blimp the throttle. By blimp, I mean pull the clutch in and give it a... That's it. So, clutch in, try and do that. Not more than that. Don't do... No, that's gonna get you jerky, and that's not good. So, we're going like this. So, clutch in, blimp, and let it go. I was smooth. Kinda. careful when you're turning. Of obstacles on the road and stuff like that. So I'm going to blimp the throttle, clutch in, blimp, down a gear, and let go of the clutch. Simple as that. Clutch in, down a gear, blimp, let go. So, clutch in, downshift, blimp, and let go. Clutch in, downshift, blimp, and go. I'm gonna round this bend. And round this one. So be careful, you see the gravel down there? You should be careful because street bikes with semi-slick tires do not like gravel on the road. It's gonna get like this. You don't want that. Okay? So I'm gonna stop there to that watch house or whatever that is, and I'm gonna explain to you how to start your motorcycle on an incline. Nice view, huh? Yeah, I enjoy it too. We go up. Cool. I think I can see my house from here. Up, up, up. Jokes, jokes. Now, when you start, actually, no, I'm gonna wait. Because what the fuck not, you know? So, clutch in, blimp, there we go. I think I'm gonna sit down there. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna stay here and explain to you how to start. Okay, so say that you're here. Okay, now this is quite steep. I don't think you can see it, but it's quite steep. Okay, now what do? Again, you let the clutch out slowly until it starts grabbing. You will feel it. Hear the engine lower its RPM. So listen. You see? Now if I let go of my right foot, the bike should stay where it is. Or stall. Let's try it again. Okay, so let the clutch out. Slowly you'll hear the engine RPM drop. Give it a little gas. And now let go of the rear foot. Now you see, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not pressing any brakes whatsoever. So all I'm gonna do is let the clutch out and off I go. So the point of that is, so when you're in an incline, the point is to let go of the brakes, okay, and let the engine counteract the force that takes you back. Now you can do that by slipping your clutch. But don't do it all the time because you're eventually going to wear it out. And that's not good. So let's go up.